Do you know you can get 50 gigabytes for free on MTN for just doing this thing in 2 minutes? Alright, I'm going to show you right away. But before I continue, please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and drop your question in the comment section. Alright, so the first thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and search for my MTN app. Notice that if you have the old version, you'll not be able to get this, so you have to update it. Alright, or you download a new one. So I'll open the app from here now. I'll launch it, then click on let's get started. Continue phone number. Enter your MTN phone number. Alright, you'll be sent an OTP. Now the app has opened. So when you're on the app here, you just have to refresh on the app, or you just wait for some few seconds to get your offer. Alright, you can see it. Congratulations, you have been offered 50 gig free data for downloading the app. So you just claim it. Alright, so we've gotten the 50 gigabytes for now, just for downloading the app. So this is how easy it is. Please, if you find this useful again, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.